as always, the number one challenge that they face is ensuring compliance, quality, and safety of the drugs that they produce. But unlike in years past, the environment in which they're doing this has changed tremendously. So the manufacturing ecosystems that have evolved now are highly complex, far more sophisticated than they used to be. I'll give an example. One of the world's leading drug manufacturers, one of its divisions, they make over 2,000 different finished products. They have 29 internally owned facilities and 113 partner facilities that they use in their manufacturing network. And the number of products that they actually make wholly in their own facilities is 0.
And also one of the challenges is the changing face of medicine, right? So the days of the blockbuster drugs, the massive, $1 billion, $5 billion drugs, those days are gone, right? So they're getting to more targeted drugs. So hitting a specific need for a specific type of disease or a specific type of treatment. And eventually that's going to go into more personalized drugs. 10, 20, 30 years from now, you're actually going to have very targeted drugs for that specific person based on their DNA and other things. So you're seeing a big shift around biotech, right? Big shift in the single-use community getting into that area of medicine.
We really have 3 big offers that we bring into the life science market. So process and production management systems solutions, production execution solutions that help capture and digitize the activities that are happening on the plant floor, and then digitization of quality and traceability.
One of the things that we do also that's kind of unique in our space is we have a compliance delivery team, right? So it's what we call compliance-driven delivery. We get the compliance team involved with the quality team of the customer very early on, which makes for a very successful project, right? Because a lot of times when you're doing projects around life sciences, quality is usually an afterthought, right? So they do the development, they get to the execution side, they get to the validation side, and that's when they bring in quality, right? And that always causes a lot of problems. It increases their risk and increases their total cost of that project. So what we've done is we've developed what we call a compliance-driven delivery team, which we come in early on with the domain expertise, working with their quality team right from the get-go. So it reduces their risk, increases the time or decreases the time to get that system up and running. So it really, really helps the customer getting a system up and running much faster than they would otherwise and reducing their overall cost.
As we deploy these solutions out into our customers, they've seen some dramatic results. So we've been able to bring much more agility to their recipe management and formulation procedures, how they bring recipes into the plant. I talked a little bit about how manufacturing networks are far more complex now than they used to be. So the problem in manufacturing a new drug is not just introducing it to a plant, but now introducing it to 10 or 15 different plants that all have to act in concert and produce a unified set of data around that drug. So recipe management, agility, major value proposition that we bring. Another value that we bring to the industry is in real-time information collection and visualization. It allows us to help the customers optimize their end-to-end manufacturing processes.
One of the ROIs that we also have with this compliance-driven delivery approach is we had a customer that really, needed to have that system up and running very quickly. So when we look at our competition came in and said they had to have a downtime of 6 months, okay? They said they can't do that. They're talking millions of dollars a day of lost production. And it's very important to the industry. It's a cancer drug that patients will die if they go down. So it's very important for us to come up with a strategic way to basically get the system running offline, quality tested with the compliance team, and then decrease our downtime. So as a result, we were down for less than 10 days. We went down, we came up within 2 days doing water runs in full GMP production in 10 days.